Back when I started out as a web developer, I already had a background in graphic design, so turning print designs into web designs was fun and exciting. I learned HTML and figured that that was all there is to developing websites. But you know what I found out? This stuff is tough. The kind of sites I could develop were essentially website business cards. You'd have a home page, about us, a couple of other content pages, and a contact page. What would he do? I mean, how can a site like that help a business optimize its workflow or even do anything worthwhile? Like I said, a website business card. Forget about having an e-commerce site selling merchandise or creating a member login site or any other type of complicated functionality. You'd need to learn a bunch of extra programming languages such as JavaScript, PHP, and SQL just to get going. So why WordPress? Because it does all of that stuff for you. All you need to do is install it, and you have thousands and thousands of complicated functions at your fingertips. You don't even need to know how to code. Making a web page is now about as easy as sending an email. I kid you not, when I realized the power of a CMS, I could not even sleep. I had recently been laid off from my job as a user interface designer and could now start a business creating professional business websites for clients. How exciting is that? But what is WordPress, you might ask? It is what you call a content management system, or CMS. It is completely web-based, meaning you can make updates from any device connected to the internet, including your smartphone. You input content and WordPress manages it for you, essentially. But there are lots of other CMSs in the world. It's just a funny word I like to say. Of which I learned Drupal, Joomla, SharePoint, LiveSite. There's plenty of others. However, WordPress is the most widely used by millions of people. It actually powers almost 22.5% of all websites on the internet. WordPress is actually maintained by a huge group of volunteers interested in growing and maintaining the community. So there is helpful documentation available online for free and regular updates to the system as it grows and evolves. So enough jibber-jabbering. Let's just jump right into the next lecture and start setting up your new website.